Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to check out how to manage user access for your Lendio account. Managing user access lets you control who can view or edit your Lendio account details. This is especially useful for business partners, accountants, or financial managers. Let's get into it. So the first step is to log into your Lendio dashboard. Go to the website and log into your account using your email address and password. Once you're on your dashboard, go to settings or account management section. There, find the option that's labeled user access or team management. Now click add user to invite someone. Just enter their name, email address, and assign a role, whether that's admin, viewer, or editor, depending of course on access needs. Once that's done, just click send invites and they're going to receive an email with instructions to join. To edit permissions for an existing user, all you got to do is select their name and adjust their roles. To remove access, just click remove user or revoke access that's next to their profile. Changes take effect immediately, ensuring account security. Only grant admin level access to people that you fully trust, since admins can alter banking and loan details. But that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.